Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers. Cheap movers, Randallstown local and long-distance movers near me. When you are selecting a mover for your long-distance move to or from Randallstown, Maryland, make sure that you understand how the estimates and moving insurance work. These key parts of the moving agreement can cause conflict if not well explained. So don't hesitate to ask questions of the movers you are considering. The mover must provide a written estimate for your job's price and tell you if the bid is binding or non-binding. If it is binding, the mover can't charge a higher fee for the work unless you add items to the shipment or ask for more services, like packing, for example. Even if the quote is non-binding, the company still must deliver the cargo for no more than a 10% increase, and then bill you for the additional charges later. The estimate will include a choice between 2 levels of insurance protection for your shipment. The lower level, referred to as released value, is included at no additional charge but may not be adequate reimbursement, so consider it carefully before deciding. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Randallstown moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.